This is your Swing Alpha Trade Report for June 27th, 2017. First, the markets. SPY had a rather large sell-off candle here. As we've been expecting, as we mentioned in the last several videos, we do expect this support line to be retested. We actually expect the price to go below the support line, form some form of base before finally continuing. Given this short-term bearishness in the market, we're going to generally hold off on any bullish trades. We are, however, on a lookout for short trades, so we may or may not issue out a swing alert to buy to short stocks. We had one stop out today, given that most of the sell-off were in the tech stocks. It was AAOI, which was a relatively aggressive trade. We had gotten it on the 22nd, expecting it to continue up following this uptrend here. However, this sell-off candle here stopped us at a small 4% loss. We're just going to wait and watch, see what happens. We are long-term bullish this stock, but we're going to wait for a better entry. We're going to go over the FAANG stocks really quick. Facebook is the more bullish of the FAANG stocks. However, even though it made an all-time high yesterday, it sold off quickly for the last 2 days. We expect this consolidation to continue for the coming weeks. Apple. Apple is thinking. So Apple had quite a big sell-off a few weeks ago, and it's forming what appears to be a bear flag, which is definitely a sign of weakness. So I would not be surprised for it to make another low, possibly as low as 138 before continuing the bounce. So we're just going to wait and watch for that. And there's Amazon. Amazon seems to be struggling to get past the 1,000 price right here. Very strong psychological level. So it has this rolling over feeling, which is a sign of weakness. I do not expect price to go below about 930, but I would not be surprised if it consolidated horizontally for another week or two. Then there's Netflix. Netflix, we did not send out a swing alert to members. However, in the video, I recommended for the more aggressive traders to go long on the breakout around 155.50. So that recommendation was made on the 22nd, and it immediately broke out. However, it quickly reversed and just sold off. So we stopped out at a small loss. Again, this was just for the more aggressive traders willing to get in. This was not a recommended swing trade. Then there's Google. Google, again, is also showing weakness like the other stocks. My platform is a little slower than it normally is. So Google is forming this base here around 939. Had a fake breakout just like Netflix and just sold off the last 2 days. I would not be surprised if 939 does break, but I would definitely expect a bounce at around 920.5 if that happens. I do not believe it'll go below 920.5, but we're just going to wait and watch and see what happens with the FAANG stocks. It may be 1 to 3 more weeks before any of them become a good buy. So that concludes the trade report for June 27, 2017.